Look at.
I told him she's got a starter collection.
Yeah.
This one here actually just came
Look
out
at
of the box.
that.
Uh-huh.
I took it out and looked at it when I bought it.